Hello students, in this video lesson we will discuss about how personal and community issues both matter for health. Now we have already discussed about health in yesterday's video lesson. Health is a state of physical, mental and social well-being, but it cannot be achieved entirely on our own. Health of all organisms depend upon their surroundings or the environment they live in. A person cannot remain healthy if his environment is not good, as many disease-causing microorganisms grow in an unclean environment. Now, as we all know, human beings live in societies. Our social environment is an important factor for maintaining good health. Even our physical environment is decided by the social environment. Similarly, health of the whole community depends on the personal habits of various individuals who constitute that particular community. So, we can say that personal health along with environmental services constitute community health. The primary function of community health is to promote physical, mental and social well-being of the community and to prolong life of the people. Community health is maintained by the active participation of its members, government and semi-government agencies. Now consider that if the cleanliness is not maintained in your surroundings, what would happen? Heaps of garbage will be collected, water will be lying stagnant in open drains. This will provide a good environment for the growth of mosquitoes, houseflies and microorganisms. So the possibility of poor health will increase. So what can you conclude of this? We can conclude that public cleanliness is important for individuals' health. Now, the individuals in a community need food for good health. This food is purchased by the money earned by doing work. So we can say that good economic conditions and jobs are required for individuals' health. Similarly, equality and harmony are necessary for individual health, and we cannot separate individual health from community health. See, the local authorities such as panchayat at village level, municipal corporation at big city level undertake many activities to maintain the community health. Activities such as supply of clean and safe drinking water, provision of proper sewage and disposal of garbage, provisions for preventive vaccinations against a number of diseases, provisions for family planning advices and services, and provision for health care. Now let me ask you a very simple question. What do you mean by the term disease? Now we all are very familiar of this term, but we really never thought of defining it. See, this term disease means disturbed ease or without ease. In other words, disease means being uncomfortable. We can also say that a disease is a departure from normal state. Generally, we talk of disease when we can find a specific and particular cause for discomfort. This does not mean that we have to know the absolute final cause. For example, we can say that Ram is suffering from high fever without knowing exactly what has caused this high fever to him. Now one question arises here. Are healthy and disease-free similar terms or same terms? See, a person may be in poor health without actually suffering from a particular disease. This is particularly true of social and mental health, where we can see a person in poor health without there being a cause in the form of an actual disease. And because of this, when we think about health, we think about societies and communities. But in the case of a disease, we think about the individual suffering. Now let us discuss some question answers based on our 2 video lessons. The first question is, state any 3 conditions essential for good health. We all know that a person is said to be in good health if he is physically fit, he has no mental problems, and he has no social and psychological tensions. The next question is, state any 2 conditions essential for being free of diseases. A person is said to be disease free when he is free from disease causing factor in his body and he is comfortable and his body is working properly. Now just think, are the answers to the above questions necessarily the same or different? Give reason for your answer. See, the answers to the above asked 2 questions are not the same. For example, a person may be free of disease but may not be healthy at the same time. Health of a person is defined by the 3 parameters: physical, mental and social well-being. Whereas a person who is physically and mentally fit is generally called disease-free. Now the next question is, what is the primary function of community health? The primary function of community health is to promote physical, mental and social well-being of the community and to prolong the life of people. Moving further, write any 3 activities undertaken by panchayat or municipal cooperation to maintain community health. We have already discussed this also. Supply of clean and safe drinking water, provisions for proper sewage and disposal of garbage, and provisions for preventive vaccinations against a number of diseases. Now moving further on to the next question. Health of all organisms depend upon their surroundings. Comment on this statement. We have already discussed about this also. A person cannot remain healthy if his environment is not good, as many disease-causing microorganisms grow in an unclean environment. So we can say that health of all the organisms depend upon their surroundings. Now I would like you people to answer one question. List any 3 reasons why you would think that you are sick and ought to see a doctor. If only one of these symptoms are present, would you still go to the doctor? Why or why not? For this, you could write your own answers. Like for example, on my behalf, my answer would be cough, fever and weight loss are the 3 symptoms those make me feel sick and ought to see my doctor. In case of persistent cough, I would like to see my doctor so that it can be cured and may not cause more harm to my body. Children, this was just an example. You can write your own answers for this particular question. We will continue this chapter in the next video lesson now.